Hello, welcome back. Myself, KK Singh, leader GH Agra. So this is Google Educators Group where we discuss Google education. For last couple of days, I have been working on Google Docs. More or less, almost I have completed everything in Google Docs, but something is remaining which I'll cover today. The most important thing is the version history. What is the version history? Actually, the version history of the current document, we have made many modifications in the current document. Some portion I have deleted, some portion I have generated, some portion I modified. But at some point of time, I decide that whatever I created last day was correct. So, because Google Docs or Google application maintains a version history. So if I make the change right now, it will be recorded. And suppose after some time I again make some changes, it will be recorded. Then I realized that a last change which I made is was not necessary. So I can recall or recapture or retain the previous version of the document. So this I am going to tell you. So let's move to our Google Doc. So this is my Google document, and here it's a chapter 3, word processing, MS Word. And if you go to this tab, I mean menu, file menu, and here you see the version history, name current version, and see version history. So when I go to this version history, it gives me the dates and the names of the versions which have been modified or created in last couple of days. All right. So if you look at the document, if I click, say, this, so what was that? And I wanted that I made the correction, I made some changes in this document. What was the change? The change was that I deleted this portion from this document. Now it is suggesting if you want to restore, then you can restore this version. And if you do not want, no worries, come back to your document. Okay, now again what I am going to do here, I am deleting this portion. And see, now see the version history, and this is 1838, and it says there was a change, the current version is, now I can name this. I said deleted para. Okay, so this is deleted para. Now you see deleted para is strike off in a strike off shape, means it was deleted. But my original document is this. Since I have deleted the portion, that portion is not visible here. But after some time, I realized that I wrongly deleted that portion. So I'll have to move to the version history again. And so this was the previous version, 6 December 1834. This was the previous version. And if I say I want to restore the previous one, so what should I do? A caption appears on the top of the screen. This button appears on the screen. Restore this version. Which version? This version. If I click on this, it says the same. Restore this version. And if I say click on this final version, it is this shape. So I think this is the correct version. I must restore this version. So when I click on this button, restore this version, one dialog window appears on your screen, or pop-up will appear on the screen saying, asking restore this version. If yes, then click on restore. And if you do not want to restore this version, you simply click on cancel, and it will cancel the function or operation. So this time I am clicking on restore. Now you'll see, and this was your the version, and I wanted that. See, I deleted this paragraph some couple of minutes back, but now this is here. All right. Again, if I go to version history again, so until deleted para, this was the text. When I say restore this version, and when I say restore this version is restored. And this is how version history works. I think I have to go to the final version once again. uh, I'll I'll restore the final version. When I say restore the final version, this version, I click on this button and I click on restore. Now you see the entire paragraph is restored. So this is how restore works. Now I'm going to discuss some more options which I think you should know about, like translate the document. So if you want to translate this document in any other language, so this is and the complete document is in English, and you want to convert this into Hindi, so you can translate this version to the Hindi version. So how to do this? You will have to go to tools, and here this option translate document. When you click this, it will ask in which language you want to translate. So I'll have to select the language, and this is already English. I select, say, Gujarati. If I say Gujarati, now see translate, the entire document will be translated into Gujarati. And suppose again, tools, translate this document from English to, say, I say Hindi, translate. Now it will translate the entire document into Hindi. See, Adhyay 3, word processing, and so on. So this is how you can convert uh, the document from one language to another. Now the next one is, I'm taking you to some blank sort of document. Okay, I am taking you to this page, and I'll show you some more. So see here on tools, if I say voice typing, so it'll opens up a mic like this. Click to speak. So when I click, then after that it will be ready to record and write for you. So this time you see the mic is there, and the preferred language is Hindi. So if you want to change it, you can change it. Suppose I want to take English. English. When I click this to speak, hi, this is KK Singh. Today I want to tell you about the version history of the Google Doc. Alright. So version history tells about the version of the document I created or modified. Thank you. And इसको मैंने stop. Okay. Now I want to convert this or speak or voice typing in Hindi. So how to type in Hindi? I'll have to change the language, and in place of English I'll select Hindi if it is available. So it is available here. Now I'll speak in Hindi and it will type whatever I want to type in my document. So when I click on this, जी, अब मैं गूगल डॉक्स की वर्जन हिस्ट्री पर बात करना चाहता हूँ। वर्जन हिस्ट्री ये बताती है कि हमने इस डॉक्यूमेंट में कब कब बदलाव किए हैं, और ये हमें इस बात की भी विकल्प देती है कि अगर आप पुराना वर्जन वापस लाना चाहते हैं तो उसको रिस्टोर भी कर सकते हैं. So this is how we can type. Means this was the voice typing, and after voice typing you can cross this. So this is one of the options remaining in my Google Doc. And the next one is if I look at important, I must say important is audio. This is the new feature in Google Docs. It will read out the entire document. So if I click on this, listen to this tab. This tab means this document. The screen open the screen. So when I click on this, Okay,
Alumni
start.
APS Agra. EX Comp IT Club APS Agra. Slide deck of my class. The 5th of December, 12 o'clock Greenwich Mean Time, plus 5:30. KK Singh. Amer Fort. This is amazing meeting with you. I must give hearty felicitations. Hi, this is KK Singh. Today I want to tell you about the version history of the Google Doc. So version history tells about the version of the documents I created or modified.
Actually, you
Thank
are
you
not able
and
to hear this
जी अब
because
मैं गूगल डॉक्स की वर्जन हिस्ट्री
actually
पर बात करना चाहता
the
हूँ। वर्जन
different
हिस्ट्री बताती है
software
कि
and
हमने
there
इस
is no
डॉक्यूमेंट में कब कब
option to
बदलाव किए हैं। और ये
display
हमें
or
इस बात की भी विकल्प देता है कि अगर आप पुराना वर्जन वापस
give
लाना चाहते
you
हैं तो
the
उसको
sound
रिस्टोर
of
भी कर सकते हैं।
whatever is written here in this document. The sound will not be produced until I remove this recording software from the document. Otherwise, you can hear this when you create a document, and on that document, if you play this audio, the entire audio you can listen to whatever is written on your document. So this was your audio. So audio will speak on your document whatever written in the document. So these were the options left, uh, and I have completed the entire important parts of the Google Docs. So we meet in my next video with some other tool or some other topic. And if you have any query, and if you wanted to know something else about the Google Docs, uh, do write in the comment box. I'll try to give you the solution. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.